So this is the current situation in my room. I've got like loads of stuff. I don't even know why I have so many stuff, but yeah, I've assembled like my wardrobe over there and another tiny wardrobe, and I've yet to fix my bed. Yeah, so I'm switching into like a bunk bed, and yeah, I guess it's to minimize the space, but I still love my shelf though, so yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna fix the stuff and fill you guys in later. First things first, this is my shelf where I like to display a couple of things that reflect my personality, and towards the bottom of the shelf where I put my documents and books. This is a cute trolley that I got from IKEA. It's pretty simple, where I can just dump a couple of things that I have lying in my room. I like displaying my most used clothes so that it's easy for me to get ready. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, I just keep them satisfied through the weekend. You like 9 to 5, I'm the weekend. And this is my favorite part in my room. I don't have a separate vanity table, but I use the top of my drawer to put my makeup and skincare. I mean, I'm saying what kind of Jesus 2 days I need me to stop all of them. This cute little drawer is where I keep all my stationery. To spice things up, I've put my white furry mat onto my chair. My man is your man, her is her man too. It's a fun way to decorate your room by framing up your favorite quotes and pictures onto the wall. I use this black and white carpet to tie my room all together. Since this is a double bed, I usually sleep on the top. Since it's a very small space, I've tried to keep things very simple and minimize the amount of furniture I have in my room.